What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like it has had a little bit of a renaissance yesterday after coming down and making a new lower low again. You can see obviously in the very short term we would expect Vechain to continue to be bearish as we continue to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs here. Overall in a downtrend of a bear market that we often see. Obviously we can see here as well that we pretty much have invalidated, at least on this Vechain chart, you would say, we've probably invalidated the bullish divergence that we did see here. We come down on the RSI and made a similar low realistically here, maybe even a little bit of a lower low on the RSI. Just complete capitulation right now for Vechain, wiping out a lot of people down here in and around that 1.6 cent level. We'd say realistically, you know, now that we've come down to these kinds of key areas here, your next target for Vechain is getting down towards that 1 cent area realistically, isn't it? Somewhere down in the region of here. This is going to be a massive psychological support, and obviously you can see quite clearly as well on the chart, this is an area that has been respected previously. And now that we are, you know, just continuing down after this prolonged kind of chopping sideways period that we did see here, we've obviously got the roll, the back test, and the continuation, a little bit of consolidation here, and then we have come down and made a new lower low yet again, looking like we are getting very overextended to the downside on the RSI. But realistically, you know, Vechain looking very bearish, altcoins in general very bearish at the minute, because we are still in a bear market, let's not forget. And in the short term we would expect lower lows for Vechain as it does continue downwards towards a key level of support, which would probably be down here, if I can actually not undo my key level that I drew in there. A key level down here is most likely going to be, you know, your next bouncing level for Vechain, but obviously coming into a very, you know, a big area of structure here where we could see a bit more resistance to that downside momentum. So overall Vechain short term looking bearish, but we would say mid to long term still bullish on this crypto. Still think it's going to do very well long term, but obviously you can see what's happening here, just continuing to the downside. Short term things looking very bearish, everyone very scared, yada yada. But we do think, you know, this is probably going to have a bit of a relief rally, most likely back up into these previous supports up here at 1.8 cents. Maybe then getting a continuation to the downside. That would probably be the most likely scenario in our opinion, looking at the Vechain chart right now. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.